And this is a golden opportunity, everyone, for you, young engineers, to come in and be part of the solution. Because that's what we need. We need more people to join us and try to solve all these problems. Dami-dami problema. But we need you. Di ba? We need to remove the rotten eggs, and we need to bring in fresh blood. We need to bring in young, fresh, and dynamic. And that is you. So, we really need your help. And on a last note, I know that a lot of you, when you think DPWH, say, naku, papahamak lang ako dyan. No? Di ba? Baka mahawa pa ako sa mga corrupt dyan, sa mga magnanakaw dyan. But, if we don't do something about it, wala na mangyayari. Forever nang mauulit na lang yung mga nakikita yung mga bridge na 10 years, hindi matapos-tapos. Yung Maharlika, hindi na maaayos yan forever. Di ba? But now is the time.